Hi everyone, Anita here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing a sweet Valentine's mani for you, and these are some of the products that I'll be using. I have this gorgeous pink from Zoya. This one is Laurel. I have this vibrant red from Clear Jelly Stamper. This is number 62. I have this beautiful holographic topper from China Glaze. This is Fairy Dust. I have my new Glisten and Glow fast drying top coat, and I have my Clear Jelly Stamper XL Big Bling stamper so I can see everything nice and clear. And I have the celebration plate from Moyra, and I'll be using the hearts down in the corner. Now I'll be starting with my peel off base coat as usual, and you see I have the design on my right hand as well. So this is just showing you how I got to that point. I will be doing 2 coats of the pink. This is a polish that I got from the Colorist to Carol mystery bag. It's $25. You get 9 polishes in it, and they are high-end polishes, really beautiful. They have been opened and swatched 1 or 2 times, so you may find that some of them have been opened and used. That doesn't bother me. If that bothers you, then this is not something that you might want to take advantage of. But I don't mind. And really get beautiful polishes in it. So this is my second coat going on now. This mani is a part of the 52-week nail challenge that I do on Instagram. This week's theme was Valentine's, and with so many Valentine manis being done, I just thought of a quick, simple, pretty little design that you certainly could do last minute if you had to. So once this is fully dried, I'm sorry I'm having such a blowout here with my brightness, testing out new backgrounds and things, so I apologize for that. You'll be able to see the holographic glitters in this topper in just a second. It's really pretty. But I'm just going to put on 1 coat of that before I do my stamping. I'll let it dry completely because I'm not putting on my usual fast drying top coat. I don't want too many layers for this one. So once that's dry completely, I am going to get my stamping plate and my beautiful red polish and start stamping. I love this stamper. Look how beautifully it picks up, and you can see exactly where you're going to put your stamping. Love it. I just hold it for a second to make sure the transfer is complete before I lift it up, and then I just take my cleaning tool, dipped in some alcohol, clean off my plate as best as possible. Red is a tough color. Red usually stains, so I will be scrubbing this one with my brush to clean it up really well when I'm done. Now you can see those glitters on the nails from the fairy dust. So pretty. It's just a delicate little sparkle, and I just thought it was perfect for this mani. I'm just doing a little cleanup there with my angled brush. That's actually an eyeliner brush that I picked up at the Christmas tree shop, but it's really thin, and I like that to get between my nail cuticle and the polish. So that's what I've been using for my cleanups lately. Here you can see the topper peeking out from under there. Oh, this is how I clean off my stamper until I get my sticky pads from Clear Jelly Stamper. I ordered them today, so I can't wait for them to come in, and I'll share them with you when I get them. So I'm going to do this design on 4 of the nails, and then I'm going to do an accent nail on my ring finger. Again, just a little cleanup. This polish is pretty good, that Clear Jelly Stamper, because it doesn't smear and it doesn't stain. A lot of reds stain, so you have to be really careful. You don't want to have staining around your cuticle. Looks like you cut yourself. Okay, so for my accent nail, I'm going to use this plate from Bundle Monster, and I'm going to be using that open heart design. Love it. There we go. Just going to try to center that as best I can on my nail. Press it down firmly, hold it for just a second, and then lift it up. I'm going to clean off my excess. I love this mani. I thought this was really cute. This one's going to be posting today on Instagram, so if you guys want to check it out, you'll see my information at the end. Now I'm just going to highlight that open heart with my Moyra London Silver Dust and my dotting tool. So I'm just going to take a little of that beautiful silver and put it on my cap that I use as palette, and I'm just going to go around the outline of that open heart design just to give it a little more definition. If you have a steadier hand than me, you can take a liner brush and go around it in one solid line with your liner brush. You can take the smallest end of your dotting tool, like I did on my other hand. You'll see that in the photo at the end. And you can put those dots closer together and make them a little bit smaller. Once that is fully dried, I am going to give a generous top coat with my Glisten and Glow. Fast drying top coat. Let that dry completely. And then I have a couple of pictures for you guys at the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's just a short, sweet Valentine's mani. I hope you give it a try. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. That's one hand, and that's the other. I really love the way this came out. You can really see the holographics through that open heart. I love it. That's this one done, guys. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe. Just click the subscribe button, and it's free, doesn't cost you anything. Click the bell icon and you'll receive a notification when I upload my videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.